taking a nap. How are we going to get the map back? It's in the crocodile's tummy.
Whoa! Beggars!
Huh? Phew! That's it, Cubby. Maybe the crocodile can sneeze out the map. How can you make a crocodile sneeze? With Scully's feather. We can use it to tickle the croc's nose. Let's all blow the feather over the croc's nose. When I say blow, feather, blow, blow with us. Ready? Blow, feather, blow. Blow, feather, blow. All right, we did it. And we got 3 gold doubloons. Let's grab them and watch the crocodile sneeze. Here it comes. Coconuts. It didn't work.
Step aside, silly swabs. I'll show you how to make a crocodile sneeze.